Bird. He's an exotic cinnamon parakeet. Like a budgie. He passed away. I found him this morning by his water. Which frightened me because he still feels soft, but obviously he's dead because he's not moving. And poor kid. My husband, of course, was laughing that I'm crying over a bird, but it's life's creatures. You know, God made them for a reason, and I tell them don't bring no more pets because I'm the only one that ends up crying over them. You want to say bye to your friend, Bambi? I'm going to see if the Chihuahua says bye to him. Hold on. Hang on, Bambi. Okay, get back. Come here. Say goodbye to your little buddy. Here. Don't take him. Right here. Look. Say bye-bye. Bambi, say bye. Bye-bye. Hey, baby. Here's the baby. Okay, I gotta let you loose in a minute because we picked up all the mouse traps. They can't be in your way. Say bye-bye. Bye, baby. You don't like him as much as you like Ollie, huh? You like Ollie a whole lot. So let me wrap him up, and I'm going to say a prayer over him before I before I bury him. Of course, my husband's like, oh, we could stuff him. And I'm like, no. I don't do those kind of things. It's not me. Goodbye, kiddo. Okay? I'm going to pray over you and put you nicely, wrap you up nice. Then I could bury you. There's lots of snow today, so you get to be buried in snow. Okay? Okay. I'll put you here for now. You say hi, baby. Now you want to say goodbye. Here. He's not gonna hurt you. He's not alive. Look. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Scared of him. You think he's alive. He's not gonna peck you. See? Okay, I gotta bury him, okay? I'm gonna go bury him. Say bye-bye. Okay, that's it. What? I'm gonna go bury him. Let him be. Why do you want him? Bambi, we're gonna bury him. Okay, let me put them away. Goodbye. Goodbye, little cinnamon. You're a pretty bright bird, you know. Pretty bright bird. Pretty bird, too. Pretty colors. Hmm? Lots of pretty colors, yeah. Look at that. Gorgeous little baby. Okay, we're going to go. Bye-bye.